Hello, everybody. My name is Cyanide Scourge, and welcome back to My Friendly Family, where last time we found ourselves in this studio full of alive Muppets that are trying to murder me, while also finding out that there is a humongous murder bird over here that you can just barely see over there. And I completely forgot what we were doing. Uh, it's been a little bit since I tuned into the game, so we're just gonna try to pick up where we left off and figure out what we have to do next. And that's one of the things that I think the game really needed, that the game just doesn't have, is an objective. Because most of me playing this game is just me walking around trying to find stuff. There's no objectives, it doesn't tell me where I need to go next, and I hope. Okay, okay. If that bird walks over here, I'm dead. Hey, chill out. You fucking weirdo. Okay. Oh, what is this? What? Oh, there's that bird. I don't have a doubt in my head that that bird is a one-shot. Like, there's no way it isn't, right? I'm scared of it. Okay, let's try to find out what to do here. I have pizza. Oh, okay. Guess it wasn't important. A lot of weirdos here. You can hear that bird on the other side of the wall. Wow, it's blocking it. Fuck you. Jesus, this guy is durable. I don't get it. Some of them are like two-shot and some of them are tanky as all hell. That's a warning door, so I'm not sure. Okay, there's no hand on the other side. Okay. So I probably had to go on the other side here. Excuse me? I know that bird's gonna try to jump scare me at some point. I can feel it in my gut. Jump down! You're crazy. Oh. Oh. No, I don't want to be here. I just went in a fat ass circle. Okay, well. Okay, he didn't follow me this time. So this is obviously something. I just don't know what it is. Again, with the whole objective thing, it does not tell you what to do. So I'm kind of just here, twiddling my thumbs, trying to find out what to do next. Already went through that door. Okay, there's nothing here that I can do, I guess. Moving on. Where's the bird? I guess it's over there somewhere. Oh, this is something we can go in. I'm nothing. This is an empty room. Where the hell am I supposed to be right now? Ah, that shitty bird's out there. I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. And now everybody back here is gone. What the hell is going on with that guy? Oh, another letterbox. Oh no. Are we supposed to find all of these letters? Holy shit. That is so many. Okay, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, well, I'm gonna be running around for a long ass time. That's cool. Oh, what's this? It's pizza time. Pizza time theme plays and the hand of the pizza time clock turns. Steve answers, "What are you doing, Ricky?" "Oh, we're just about to go seeing what's in the pizza box." "What's today's topping? Goblets?" Goblet points at the clock. Goblet rumbling Shelby. Anchovies. Boy, I love anchovies. Let's go. That's a fucking lie. Nobody likes anchovies. So, pizza, anchovies. No? Whoa! Okay, chill. Damn. Uh, is that it? Oh, yeah, I guess. All right. Hi, I'm back. I'm sorry. I was interrupted and I wasn't able to come back to the game for quite some time. And my week ended up being a lot more busy than I planned it to be, so I wasn't able to touch this game at all. But I remember what we were doing. We're here to find some letters. And I'm also not going to be able to talk loudly because people are sleeping. So, unlocked orange square key. Do we know where the square key is? Was that damn bird? Okay, we're safe for now. Hey, hey, chill, motherfucker. Hey. Piece of shit? Alright. So, this pizza... I don't know how... Oh, we're just about to see what's in the pizza box. What's happening? Okay. I got some screen vibrations that scared the shit out of me. But I think I'm supposed to... Huh? I don't even know if something's supposed to happen here. It gives me such little description and I don't know how to look back at that note. Oh, we got a map, that's nice. Not what I need though. Got a quick turnaround. All things they didn't tell me. And I do not know how to open a menu, so we're just gonna have to deal with it, I guess. Oh yeah, I had to be careful with this one. I think this one is tanky. Yeah, just go ahead and get out of here, buddy. Ah, damn. Oh, Browns. Cool. Nothing here. No! I didn't mean to fucking use that. Damn it. Oh well, moving on. It's whatever. That's a one-way door. I don't remember if I jumped down here already. I did. Okay. That means I still don't know what I'm doing. Oh, is that important either? It's not. The bird is over there. Okay. Do I have any more? No, that's it. I only have two of them. There's still nothing in here, so I don't know. I don't know. I wish the game would just tell me. Instead of making me do all of this shit. And I don't know how to open. There we go. Fuck. Okay. The pizza box today. Let's start the clock, shall we? I love anchovies. Let's go. So, anchovies. And nothing changed. So I still don't know if that's what I'm supposed to do, or if there's something else that I'm completely missing here. I don't know. This game doesn't tell me. I think I already touched up on that fact when I played this game last week, is that this game really doesn't like to give you an objective. It just kind of just leaves you to walk around and figure out everything. Killing the same damn enemies over and over again. Jesus. I still do like those ragdoll physics though. It's pretty funny. Oh! Yeah, that's right. There was one in here, isn't there? Okay. Is that all I get? Worcestershire sauce. Oh. I felt like that thing was coming right at me. We still get no changes. We still get no changes, so I don't know if that's even important. If that's part of the main objective, I don't know, I don't know. I just hope I don't get chunked by Reboot Big Bird here. All I gotta do is find these damn blocks, which are hidden all around the map. Upstairs? Hey, 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 hey! You motherfucker! I am not restarting, you dumb bitch. Okay? I don't want to. Oh! Oh! Holy shit. Okay. That's actually important. We finally got some progress. Stuff! Is there an anchovy one? And he is tanky! Look at that! I'm not gonna have any goddamn ammo to fight whatever boss I have to. See, if I had tape, and this is the guy I will take down. But I was an idiot, and I used to tape on the wrong person, so... kinda can't do that. I also don't particularly want to go through any doors, because... that'll reload the enemies. And those enemies were actually a problem. There's that fucking bird. I don't think the bird has a problem with me. A letter block. And now I think every single one of these blocks here are completely dependent on the clock. And so I have to run back and forth. And I'm not gonna show much of that, so... it's probably not gonna have it. Oh! I was wrong. Okay, no. He just moves randomly. Good to know. And I can't parkour because... I don't know, plot convenience, I guess. I'll just go this way. Oh. Got another letter. Duct tape, let's go! It's actually really good for me. I don't think I need to tie anyone down right now, but that's definitely a find. And look, anchovies. So yeah, we need to keep going back and forth towards that, clock. Ah, damn it. Okay. That's a one-way door. We need to remember that. Okay, this bitch is tanky, so I need to be careful. Okay, good. She wasn't that tanky. Get this magazine. Go through here. Anchovies. Birds over there. We could run. We don't have to worry about this guy anymore, because I was smart and tied him down. Wherever he is. Oh, he's all the way down there. Okay. Go through here, and anchovy should be to our right. Hello. Glasses? I'm sorry, is this supposed to do something? Glasses with some plastic eyeballs on the back. That's weirdly disturbing. Okay, moving on. What are you doing up here? Why are you doing up here? Okay, well, that only means pizza, which I have not seen. Oh, let's get this, by the way. I wonder how many letters we need. Oh, fuck off, man. The hitboxes are so damn weird. Hold on, let me use this. Thank you. As much as I am liking this game so far, this part of the game feels awfully time-consuming and tedious. That was close. I actually lost my breath with that one. Oh shit. Shut the fuck up. Oh look, anchovies. Let's go ahead and put these on. I need 3 more? That's so damn many. Yeah, they're moving. Always keep my eye on the bird. We don't have the square. Oh, we do have the square. Oh. He's dead, right? Oh, he moved. Gonna let me move back, or...
Stupid.
Yeah, I didn't knew that was gonna happen. I don't know why you just stood there. But does that dictate that cold water is their weakness? Maybe? I do wonder how long this game is. It doesn't seem like too long of a game, but at the same time, I feel like it's gonna be a little longer than I expected to be. Alright. Damn, that was aggressive. What the fuck? These dolls are fucking demented, dude. Holy shit. So I guess it tells me which ones I've gotten right. Oh, this is clearly neighbor. Easy. Okay, we're finally getting somewhere. God, that took such a concerningly long amount of time. I gotta be completely honest, that was frustrating. Let's see what's in this letter. Yeah, I know. Oh, do I put it in the mailbox? Oh, a crank and a note.
this unlocks a different part of the studio.
Maybe. Let's get inside, save, and read this note. Because, oh my goodness, I am so ready to move on. Hey, but oh. Are you nice?
That's a good girl.
Aw, that's
See,
extremely fucking creepy.
It's been a long time since you saw yourself, huh? Happens to all of us. We all get shocked sometimes when we look in the mirror. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Huh? Would you look at that? She's actually pretty nice. Excusez-moi?
There we go.
Oh, okay. Well, you kind of just deserve that one. I don't know what to tell you, buddy.
Well, no getting back up that way.
Wait, we went through a slide? It just looked like we went straight down. Okay, game. Why can't I use any of my weapons? Okay, there we go. Making me worry.
Oh dear, oh my. You seem to be stranded in the basement.
How do I get out of here, Ricky?
Oh, haven't a clue. Never come down here myself. Why? What's got your overalls in a knot?
I'm trying to get to the roof.
The roof? What's so interesting about the roof? Down here's much more intriguingly musty. Unrelated, how do you feel about blunt force head trauma?
What is it this time?
Well, Ray, of course. He's the best sort of monster janitor thing. But he's a little obsessed with, organic maintenance. Tends to pop out of pipes and clobber people with his wrench.
Great. Are all of you puppets crazy?
Well, Ray has always been a little grouchy, even before the shutdown. That's why they moved him down here. Only way out is by elevator, and he can't figure out how to use the buttons.
Elevator. Got it.
Oh, silly me. I forgot about the elevators. Really, Gordon, I wouldn't bother. The cables are probably rusted. I don't think they even run anymore.
I'll take my chances.
Wow, you're so courageous and stuff. Look, I gotta go wash my hair.
What a creepy fucking guy.
Stupid puppets.
Yeah, you definitely said it. I don't know what's gotten into this place, but definitely giving me some William Afton vibes. What the hell? I really hope that's a boiler or something and not something big and moving around. Oh god. Is this where we get into the horror elements of the game? I don't really know if this is a horror game. It's more like a beat. Oh, hey, yo, you can chill. Alright, that startled me a little bit. I actually would have lost my shit if that one came alive. But anyway, can I go through here? Okay. More fighting, but really? I just desperately want to save.
Rode home on the bus, did my homework, and went to bed early. I used to be responsible, but then...
Can I get a save? Aw, they're kind of cute. Can I get a save? What's this? Due to the construction of the new stages, the blast doors have been locked using a punch card combination. Please insert the appropriate punch cards into the 3 terminals to open the doors. In the event that you lost your punch card, this machine can use print replacements. Okay, and the punch cards are shaped. What do you know? Or is it these? It's probably these. No? Yeah, it is. Uh-huh. I have no idea what that means. I'm Johnny over here. Can a motherfucker get a save? Finally. And tools too? No. Okay, that's just a storage place. And we got a map. Thank you. What is this? What? -1. That'll be important later. But I'm gonna stop here because I'm getting a little tired. And because I've been running around for a concerningly amount of long time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, and if you like me, subscribe. And I'm out of here.